My friend Luke called me the other day and said that he found a ripped hammock leaving a festival and asked if I would be able to do anything with it. And so we're going to try to make some shorts. I've never made shorts before, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna cut out a strip of the orange for the waistband. I'm going to do 3 inches wide by 46 inches long. Okay, so now I'm just gonna trace a pair of shorts that I got from the thrift store to make the 4 panels of the shorts, keeping in mind where the orange is, that it's where I want it on the shorts, and also using as little space as possible so that I can try to make a second thing for him using the rest of the fabric. Okay, I definitely should have like ironed this before cutting because I might have fucked it up, but that's fine, we're running with it. So these are the 2 like butt panels with the right sides together, and I'm gonna sew from the crotch up, and then I'm gonna do the same with the 2 front panels. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the front and the back and put them right sides together and sew along the crotch and then down both of the legs. Okay, we kind of have shorts. I'm going to hem the bottoms. Okay, so for the bottom of the shorts, I double rolled and then double stitched just because it looked fancy and that's what I feel like shorts look like. And then all of the other stitches I did, I went and pseudo serged as well because this is gonna fray like hell. For the waistband, we're gonna kind of completely wing this because I wanted to have elastic and a string so that he can like tie it to fit him. But I am not capable of making like the little like hole for it to come out of. I have like a buttonhole thing on my machine, but it jams every time. So we are just going to wing it and hope for the best. And on both ends of the waistband, I'm going to hem them. Okay, so with that hemmed, I'm sandwiching the elastic in there and I'm going to do 2 stitches, like one right here and one right here down the whole length of it so that we can then feed the string through the middle of those 2 stitches, but it still has some elasticity through it. The elastic isn't gonna be really what makes it fit, it's gonna be the string. This is just to make it, I don't know, it just makes sense to me for it to be in there. So I'm just going a little bit of time pulling the elastic from the end as I sew. Just a little bit though. Like I said, I don't want it to be like tight. Okay, so now I have this waistband with a channel going through it, and I cut out another piece of the orange that's the same width as the waistband, and I'm going to fold it in half and sew the waistband onto it, only going right here and leaving that channel open on both of these. So now I have a full circle of a waistband with the orange going all the way around, but I still have this open channel where the strings can come out and tie. So now that I have a full waistband, I'm going to fold it down so that the opening part is like on the inside and the raw edges are up. And I'm going to put it around the shorts and I'm going to pin it all the way around, stretching it, and then sew that on. And now I'm just going to use a safety pin to thread the tie through the waistband. Okay, so we need to keep in mind the fact that Luke is not the same size as me. They might not fit him, might not look good on him to know if this is truly a success. But I am quite proud of them for my first time making shorts. I added the, is that how you pronounce it? Tag right there. Everyone's always interested in how long stuff takes me. I took the first clip of like saying what I was gonna do at 6:01 and it is now 8:37. So like 2.5 hours to make these. And I have a good amount of fabric left. So I'm going to go and try to make a jacket as well.